Hey guys, it's Dr. Austin here with Inver Chiropractic, and today we're going to dive into radiating pain, radiating symptoms, things going down the legs, and I'm going to explain what that kind of means and how we can go ahead and see results with that. So, radiating pain, radiating symptoms, what that is I don't know if you've ever had the sharp shooting pain kind of going down the leg. For example, it can go down the arms too, but we're going to focus on the lower half of the body today. So, going down the leg, or numbness, tingling, you can sometimes feel all the way down into your toes. There's a number of different reasons why that can occur, but the two of the more common things that we see here at Inver Chiropractic is sciatica, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard of, and also the radiating symptoms from like a disc herniation or a disc bulge, things like that. So the first one we're going to dive into is a disc bulge, and I'm going to show you with the spine model how that happens and the reason why that happens. So if you can see right here, this part of the disc, which is right here, comes out, and that's what the disc bulge, for lack of better terms, looks like. So when that disc bulges out, it puts pressure on the nerve roots right here, and these are the nerves that can run down the leg, right? So if there's a little bit of pressure on this nerve, it's actually going to interfere with its ability to do its job, and that's going to cause some of those symptoms that you feel shooting down the nerve. And why it goes all the way to your toes, for example, is because when there's pressure on this nerve could run all the way down to your calf muscles, right? Or it could run all the way down to the muscles in your feet. So it's the pain that you're feeling shooting down is because the nerve roots interfered with, and that's going to go down the entire length of that nerve to wherever it's going to stop. So that's why you get that sharp pain going down there. And now we'll dive into sciatica. So the most common reason for sciatica is because of piriformis syndrome. And piriformis syndrome is a muscle in your glute, so sitting right on both sides, right? And so with our everyday life, 70% of us have a job where we sit all day. And with that happening and the lack of mobility and the lack of exercise that many Americans do on a day-to-day basis, it can cause that piriformis muscle to kind of get irritated and cause the sciatic nerve, which either runs through or around the piriformis muscle, to also get irritated. That's where you're gonna get some of that numbness, tingling, shooting pain down the leg, and you usually notice that starting in the glute. So if that's something that you have had, that's where it's going on with that. And so those are two of the most common reasons why we see radiating symptoms down the legs. If you guys have any comments, questions, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll definitely get back to you and reach out. Thanks.